Hello again. This is the beginning of Unit 4, I believe is what we're on here. And so we're going to get into the digestive system since we are all done with the skeletal muscular systems now. Just want to mention thank you for all of your cool ideas for that case study. Again, that is going to help me with one of my grad projects, so I really appreciate that. And you guys are very creative. It was cool to look through all of your brainstorming ideas and your sketches, so thank you for that. Alright, so Unit 4 is the digestive system, so I'm going to try to find some cool stuff for us to do. Maybe try to find some interactive things, but before we do that, you guys need to learn a little bit about the parts of the digestive system. So for day 1, what I'm going to have you do is go through the PowerPoint. And what I did was simplify the notes a little bit. Again, with the notes, they're for you, so you don't have to turn them in. They are kind of like a guided skeletal notes, so it's kind of key things that I want you to know about the digestive system. If you'd rather just take notes on a piece of paper, I'm completely fine with that. But I just wanted to give you kind of like an outline if you wanted to use that. And then what's going to be graded is this digestive system note check. So based off of what you learned in the PowerPoint, based off of what you took notes on, these questions are based off of both of those things there. There's 2 tries with the note check. So if you go through and you mess something up, then go through and do the second try, and I'll take the higher of the 2 grades. So that is day 1.